Our Haʻawina ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi for today is how to say you're welcome. When someone says thank you, you respond, you're welcome. Repeat after me. He mea iki. He mea iki means it's just a little thing. The next way you can say you're welcome is a little bit more fancy way. It's my favorite way. Naʻu ka hauʻoli. Let's do it all together one more time. Naʻu ka hauʻoli. And that means it was for me that it brought happiness. Another way of saying it was my pleasure to do that for you. And the most common way that most people say is ʻaʻole pilikia. ʻAʻole meaning no, pilikia, problem. But I don't really like to use that one so much because it implies that there was a problem to begin with. But those are the 3 different ways to say you're welcome. I'm going to do them real quick all together. He mea iki. Naʻu ka hauʻoli. ʻAʻole pilikia. Maikaʻi. Malama pono a hui hou.